Mami, ang micronutrients sa katawan araw-araw nababawasan. Kailangan yan ng tulong mo.
You should know that kung 4 out of 5 ng kids kulang sa iron, 1 out of 5 ng kids kapos sa zinc, 7 of 10 need vitamin C. Baka micronutrient deficiency. Micronutrient deficiency. Labanan natin pang may tibay araw-araw po yan. Kaya natin to. Micronutrient deficiency. Labanan natin pang may bear brand araw-araw po yan. Kaya natin to.
Man, no stop watch when you bubbly, bubbly. Serious thing, it and a comedy, comedy. And them say you have the comedy, comedy. So me won't get someone come trouble, trouble. Bust two buckle of the bubbly, bubbly. Call in two friend and then double, double. Girl so hot, she a bubbly, bubbly. And she know when she got, she a carry me remedy. Body look good, girl, you ever be winning it. Turn it up right, girl, you never be dimming it. Take up your body, cause you're in your element. Pon your body, me take up a permanent residence. Sounding trumpets. Sounding trumpets. Rotate your body, come in over, you're spinning it. Rotate your body, come in over, you're spinning it. Rotate your body, come in over, you're spinning it. Make the trumpets blow. Make the trumpets blow. Bubbly, bubbly. Bubbly, bubbly.
May tatlong bibe